Here, look, I too would like to lend my support to Senator Van Turnhout and her call for a debate on MMS and the use of MMS to treat autism. I too was contacted by people concerned and was absolutely shocked to think of what might be going on and the convention that was held here. So I too would like to call on the Minister to come into the House for us to have a debate on this very, very serious issue. I would also like to welcome home the victorious Special Olympic athletes who arrived back from Belgium on Sunday. I had the pleasure of being in Dublin Airport on Sunday morning to welcome them back and applaud their massive achievements over the course of the European Games, and indeed applaud the family members and supporters who also turned out on Sunday morning to welcome them back. There was an impressive win with 12 gold medals, 21 silver and 24 bronze, with numerous place ribbons as well. So I'd like to pay tribute to the athletes, to the members of Special Olympics, and also to the family members on their success. I would also like to congratulate, since that's the start of the week, I would also like to convey my huge congratulations to my own local team, Dundalk FC, who were victorious on Saturday and won the EA Sports Cup on Saturday last. It was a fantastic spectacle and great for a town, great for sport and League of Ireland sport indeed, to have such huge turnouts at the match on Saturday, and a huge boost for the town. However, look, I would like to raise the fact of soccer hooliganism, which was very much in evidence by members of the opposition at the match on Saturday, both inside the ground with absolutely dreadful personal jeers shouted at the manager, and also outside the ground with a person actually being very savagely struck. Lately, we've all seen how clubs in League of Ireland clubs have been fined. And indeed, Dundalk have been fallen foul of that this season as well, being fined for flares and also for flying flags when they were asked not to. But I do think that clubs have to take responsibility for their fans, and for the soccer hooliganism that went on in Dundalk on Saturday. It was absolutely atrocious and brought the game of soccer to a new low, in my opinion. So I would ask that we urgently need a debate on hooliganism in sport, because we're trying to promote League of Ireland soccer. We're trying to get it up there and get it done. So I think we really need to have that debate. Thank you.